Hi everyone, let me show you on how to use HydroNeo application in your daily operation at the farm. So after you have created your HydroNeo account, the first thing you see after opening the app is the dashboard, where farmer can see the overview information of each pond and manage them. In each pond, you will see the current DOC, the current water quality values such as DO in ppm, DO in percentages, temperature right now, and also the pH if you have this pH sensor connected. You can also see the aeration status on the motor connected as well. On the top right corner, you can also see the mini controller icon which show the status of the system. If it's green, it means the mini controller is online. You can also see the last time that the mini controller has uploaded the data into the application. Before I show you how to go into the historical data, let's first set up the salinity of your pond. So you can just go into the pond and then go to the settings tab, which is on the bottom right. And here it is the configuration of your pond. You can set up names and salinity values and also the pond's characteristics.
Salinity values affects the dissolved oxygen calculation of the sensor. Please ensure that you put in the actual salinity value into the system.
Type in the actual salinity, click save.
And now your salinity value is updated. Now let me show you on how to see your water quality data over time. From the dashboard, go into any pond by just tapping, then go to the water quality tab. Your data will be shown here in a table format, and you can see it by minutes, hours, and also the summary of each day, depending on your preference.
You can also filter to see just the minimum and maximum values for each day. If you prefer a more visual view, switch over to the graph. This makes it much easier to spot trends and fluctuations over time. The graph also uses color coding, red for critical values, yellow for warnings, and green when everything is in a healthy range. These color thresholds are tied directly to your notifications, and you can customize them to match your setup. To do that, go to Settings, open the Notifications tab at the top of the screen. Here, you can set the exact thresholds for when you want to receive an alert. So you will get notified the moment any water quality reading goes above or below your defined range. Now that we have covered monitoring, let's move on to automation. Once you have set up your motors in the app, you can access them from any pond you have connected with. Just tap into the connected pond and go to Control tab. Here you will see all your connected motors, each with 3 options: off, on, and auto. From here, you can manually operate your motors remotely.
Just make sure that the physical motor control box is switched to auto. Otherwise, the app wouldn't be able to control it. To enable automated control based on oxygen levels, tap auto on the motor you want to automate, then select Enable Automation. A setup window will appear. This is the DO support mode. Here you define 2 thresholds to let the system decide when to turn on and when to turn off the motor. Once configured, your motor will run automatically based on real-time oxygen readings. No manual input needed anymore.